In Shalazile, we met two residents, two voices representing many more, who shared what free basic electricity means to them. A few units might seem small to some, but for them, it's the difference between cold nights and a warm meal, between darkness and dignity.
Oh, molweni bahlali. Yo, yazi siyajabula ukuhlala lana eShalazile camp. Safika lana singena gesi sichelwe ngapha eTown, sathathwa sazobekwa apha. Awu shame uCity Power wathi ayishema abantwana. Yazi abana gesi, khame sibafakela ugesi wamahala, wasinikeza iunit. Siyabonga City Power. Sicela nenze nakwabanye kanjalo ningapheleli ukuthi kuphela.
We were also joined by Chair of Chairs Councillor Adolf Marema, who didn't just speak. He walked the community, spoke to residents, and reminded us that leadership starts with presence.
Sanibonani bahlali base Johannesburg. Igama lami ngu-Adolf Marema, Chair of Chairs in the city of Johannesburg. Today I'm here to speak about free basic electricity. Who qualifies for free basic electricity? These are households registered with the city of Johannesburg. To qualify for free electricity, you must be an indigent. If you're not sure if you qualify, you need to visit your councillor's office, the nearest office of your councillor, or visit the City Power website to just check, see if you qualify. Why must you register? Remember, you will not receive free basic electricity if you're not registered for the indigent in the city of Johannesburg. So that is why it is important for you to carry your ID, your proof of address, approach the office of the councillor. They will then take you through the steps on how to actually register for free basic electricity. This is for free. You don't pay. You don't have to, worry if this is legal or not. It is a legal policy within the city of Johannesburg to respond to the indigent residents within the city of Johannesburg. I wish to see you in our offices next time when you come to register for free basic electricity.
His message was simple but powerful. City Power is ready to help, but we need people to come forward. Because support can only reach those who step into the light.
Sanibonani ninjani? Awu siyabonga kakhulu ngokuvakashela lapha ngoba City Power bazosibhalisa ngondaba ukuthi sizokwaphulelwa ugesi. Sithanda ukubonga okukhulu uCity Power usiphathe kahle kakhulu.
So, if you or someone you know qualifies, now's the time to act. Together, we can bring light where it's needed most.